Hello everyone, Jen here, UC in EDU 10004. I've created this video to help you in your A3 team task. So this teaching period, you have the opportunity to organise your own teammates. So we have teams of 3 for our team task. And if you would like to organise your own groups, you can. So this will be available, it's in the unit now, and so it will be an option from Friday of week 4, and it will stay open until the end of week 5, which is Sunday of week 5. And this is how you organize it. If you would like to organize your own team, please do in that time frame. If not, anyone who's not allocated your ELA will do that for you. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. So I've just popped into Learning Group 2 and I've gone into the discussions here. And you can see we've got all the lovely discussions going on. And then here we can see team sign up for assignment 3. And I will just move this so we can all see. So you can see this, our lead unit coordinator, Sarah, has set this up for us. So it just says, team self-sign up for assignment 3. Hi everyone. You'll now have the opportunity to organise your own team. So this is a group assignment, and all assignments must be completed in a group. And you've got until Sunday the 11th of December to organise this yourself. Afterwards, of course, your ELA will arrange it for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link. And up comes a discussion. And so this is where you're going to pop your details in. So we do have the option of 3 or 4 team members for A3. We do recommend 3 team members. It just can be a little bit easier for navigating and organising communication. So once your team is complete, we're actually going to recommend that you close it at 3 team members. So this is how I would arrange to join a team. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to press edit. So I can now edit this post. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to pop my name in. So I'm going to say, oops, make sure we can see it. Jenny Moorhead. And I'm going to pop my email in there. And 2 forms of communication would be better. So I'm going to add Jen's own email.com.au. Why my great team member? So there's a few things that you can pop in there. You can tell us that you're organised or you're really motivated. It might be that you are heading into a really busy teaching period, or you'd like to complete the assignment early. So I might pop in there, hoping to submit by week 11. And any other details that you might like to pop in there. So I've put that in there, and then that enables other team members to come in here. So there's room for 2 more team members to pop in there. And then if you are the 3rd person to pop your name down here underneath, if you can just put team closed, that would be great, so no one accidentally adds on to there. Very occasionally we have some students who we need to assign to groups, and it might be that you are contacted by an ELA and asked for a team member to join you later on in the teaching period. It happens very, very occasionally, but 90% of the time, if you set a team in here, that will be the one that you will use. So then when I've done that, it's really important that I press save. So now when all of my learning group goes in here, those are my details. And hoping that 2 other team members join in, and you can see that there's plenty of room here. And as I said, you've got from this week until Sunday of week 5, which is the 11th of December, to do this. Otherwise, don't worry, your ELA will arrange it for you. If you've got any questions at all, just let your ELA know. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.